So when my wife bought her Alpa 35, she also got this Batac 16. I guess with the Batacs, the people who make these, they just use random stuff they can find, so all of them are different. It's like a rainbow threw up on this bag. It's too crazy color, like it's too much for me. So, like I could handle maybe 4 colors, but like I'm not even gonna count how many colors are on this thing. Yeah. Flip the video around, show you what we're dealing with. My wife has another bag that she uses pretty regularly, but this is a new one, so I'm going to show you this. I'm close and personal with this bag. As you can see, lots of different colors. I've opened this one up. I learned from the last bag, it's easier to just open it up. I have multiple, both hands. So you have the zipper that goes in this outer portion of this bag. And you have an outer pocket, and it looks like you have a little mesh pocket right here. It's on the side, as opposed to going in from the top, but going from the side to store whatever stuff you want in there. On the outside, you have like a water bottle holder type mesh side pocket things. You have one on each side, and then you have all these loops that you could attach stuff to. Carabiners or however you want to do that. So inside the bag, it's just like a regular backpack. And then you have a mesh pouch up at the top. I forgot to get that. So you can keep stuff from flopping around inside. One of the things, especially the other bag that my wife has, this one not so much, but this one has a pouch in it, so you can kind of use it as a hydration pack if you wanted to. The other backpack my wife has by Cotopaxi, there's a slit that you can put at, feed the hydration pack tube through. So with this one, I don't see a place to do that as apparent as the other one, but the other bag my wife does. And then it's just adjustable, and then you can attach that across your chest. So overall, that's a nice bag. Retail is 50 bucks on that. We got a little discount when we combined it with the other bag. So I don't know if I'll ever use this one as much. Like I said, the colors, it's a little too much color for me. But overall, looks like a pretty nice bag. So I guess one thing I forgot to mention about this Batac, as well as the other one, I just remember the other bag's name. It's a Luzon, I think that's the other bag that my wife has. You can fold this up pretty good and like put it inside of something else, so you could use it as like a day pack. That's not necessarily your main backpack. So keep that in mind. Like it can get pretty small. I'm trying to do this with one hand. So you can roll it up, and I mean that's it rolls up to the size of maybe not a t-shirt, but like a pair of jeans maybe. So it's a good option if you wanted to take another bag with you, but you didn't want to carry 2 bags with you. You know what I'm saying?